Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Chloe here. I am going to make slime. Now I have this glittery glow-in-the-dark glue, and it's great for slime. You don't even have to add color or any glitter. It's amazing. And I found it at like Walmart, or you can get it at Target and most places. So, first thing is I have my glue and my activator. It's not going to be fluffy slime today. It's just going to be glow-in-the-dark slime, or regular slime basically. I have my activator, which again I'm going to use my borax solution, which is heated water and about a teaspoon of borax, and I mixed it and made it dissolve and dissolved it, and I have my fork and a bowl. So the first thing you need to do is, I've already made slime with this, so I only have about half a bottle. But the first thing you need to do is undo the cap for the glue and try to get it all in there. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're going to need some water. So once I'm done with the glue, I'm going to put some water in here to try to get most of the glue out. So yeah, and that will be my water mixed in. But if you don't have glue like this, you can just get regular glue, or probably clear glue, and some glitter and some color. Again, those two things are optional. The glitter and the color are optional. You can just have clear glue slime. So I'm gonna go put some water in this, and I'll be right back. I filled this glue bottle about halfway with water, and I shook it to get some more glue in the water mixture. I might have put in a little bit too much water. Depends on how much glue you have for the amount that you want to put water. Yeah, I added too much water. But that's okay, I can just go empty some out. I'll be right back. So, I got rid of some of my water, so I just went over to my sink and poured some out. So here is what mine will look like. So now I'm just gonna add my borax. I filled this glue bottle about halfway with water, and I shook it to get some more glue in the water mixture. I might have put in a little bit too much water. Depends on how much glue you have for the amount that you want to put water. Yeah, I added too much water. But that's okay, I can just go empty some out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna add a little more borax solution, but in a minute it'll be time for me to start mixing with my hands. Get out of the bowl and mix with my hands. Move this out of the way. Oh, and after this, I'm gonna show you that it'll glow in the dark. Ready? Oh, let's redo that. Didn't work. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, this over here. I'm gonna move this right here and put my slime here instead. Because you know what I can do when I do that? It pokes very nicely. Okay, stretches a little bit. Here we go. Let's see if it'll make a bubble. Let's retry my bubble. Not really good at making these, so. Let me retry that one. Like I said, I'm not really that good at making bubbles. I'm gonna try this one more time. Ready? Nope. One last time. Here we go. Well, that was fun. So,